Good morning, friends and fans. Happy Friday. Today, we're going to go over how to easily resize graphics in Adobe Express. Check it out. So we've got this beautiful holiday card, and yes, we're still at the holidays because I thought this card was fun and it would be great just to show you guys how you can quickly resize in Adobe Express. So right here, I've got a card size, and you know what? Today, I think I want to make it a story so I can share it. So what I'm simply going to do is I am going to go over here to the top left-hand corner of Adobe Express. I'm going to hit the resize button. It's going to give me all kinds of options on what I can do. Look at all these options, guys. I don't even have to put the dimensions in there, which is wonderful. So in this case, I want to flip to an Instagram story because I want to share this with my friends and fans on Instagram. So I'm going to click that, hit resize, and look at that, guys. Voila. It was so easy. I don't have to move anything. It's wonderful. So this is one of the wonderful, amazing things you can do in Adobe Express. It makes resizing so much easier. Okay, the next thing I want to do is, hey, I want to share this on Facebook. So I've got my Instagram story size. I'm going to go back to my resize, click the resize button. I'm going to flip Facebook post because I'm going to Facebook. I am going to hit resize, and boom. I wanted to show you this specifically because this was a huge format change, and I didn't want you guys to think just because I went to a card and to Instagram was easy, because even when I'm changing this to a completely different dimension, the changes I have to make this right are very simple. I've just got to move my little lights over like this. And we are ready to go. Not too much to do, and that's what the beauty about this is, right? When we resize, sometimes things get really crazy and we have to sometimes recreate the entire thing because it's gone all over the place. But I know Adobe Express is super easy, guys. It really